Hello everyone. Today I will explain how we can create the three-phase circuit name. Or when we create the panel, so how we can able to create the RYB model. Okay, right. So first of all, I choose the system and take the equipment panel. So here I can able to choose any panels, any type of panels. No issue. We can put it somewhere in the location. Okay. Right. So when I select this one, here you can go to edit and make it the duplicate. So I will put it DB LV01. Okay. So if you want, you can able to go for the sizes. So width and depth. If you want, you can change it. So first of all, we have to change here the panel name. So panel name also I'll put it DB LV dash 1. Okay, right. So after that, you can go to choose ES, electrical setting. In the electrical setting, you can change it R, Y, and B. Okay, R, Y, B. So it's most important. So here the general you have to change it this one. Okay, right. When you check this one, it is okay. Now how we can able to apply this one to this panel? So first of all, you just select the panel and go to select the circuit naming and choose it the three phase. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now this is in three phase, and the same time you just select and go to edit family. You can able to check it from here. So when you select the electrical connector, you can find out the number of pole 3 and voltage. The power is unbalanced. So if you want, you can go for the power factor 0.959. Okay. And the same time, you have to check it unit and change it the watts in the electrical. You have to change it the volts W. So after that, you have to just load the family. Right. Okay. Now I just go to select in electrical and the system, go to choose the lights. Okay. So just apply this one. Uh, right. Now you can find out our DB. So I connected this one, and here also I connected the DB 2. And after that, I will go to select the electrical fixes. I will put the fixes in somewhere here in the panel. Uh, okay, I just put it two fixes and apply the power. DB is available. Okay. Again, I will apply power. Yes, the DB is available. And after that, again, I will apply for two light systems, different shape, or you can change it the light style. In the folder, you can go for the lighting, MEP, and get it internal. So the board lamp also you can find out. Okay. So you can put it in the board lamp somewhere here or somewhere here, no issue. So click power and again click power. Okay. Now I just wanted to select right click, go to system browser. In the system browser, you can find out the R1, Y1, B1, everything is out. So this is the way we can able to create the our circuit name for the panel. I hope you understand.